Hey all, this is Software Focus, and today we're going back to basics with Camtasia. You don't want to miss this. Today's episode will be focused on the keystroke callout annotations. To start, we'll move under the Annotations menu, and then go to the last option at the top, which looks like a little keyboard. And you will see the four basic keystroke callouts available to you. You can add these to the timeline much like any other annotation. You can drag it onto the canvas. You can drag it down onto the timeline, or you can right-click and select Add to Timeline at Playhead. All four of these are the four variations available, but you can access any of these designs by applying one to the canvas. So let me clear my canvas a little bit, and I'm also going to change the color of the canvas so you can see the clear see-through ones a little easier. Alright, so we add it to the timeline, and this is the traditional style keystroke. These are static annotations that don't pull any automatic data. You place it, you configure it how you want. Unfortunately, these can't read your recording and pick out where you did a Control A or a Control V or whatever. But you change all that in the Properties menu on the right. So under Annotation Properties, we see Keystroke. We're able to change the style and input the keys that appear. So under the style, we have four options: traditional, gray, clear, and outline. And as I mentioned, these are pre-made in the keystroke callouts, but we can see them here. So currently we're on traditional. It looks more like a key. It's got some beveled edges. If we go to gray, it's more flat. If we change to clear, it's just the text essentially. And if we change to outline, it gives you an outline of what the key would be. And of course, like with others, you get this little reset arrow that puts it back to how it started. To change the key, you click and select the text here, and then just on your keyboard put in the key or keys you're wanting to be put in. Unfortunately, it is only limited to 2 keys or a single key. And you'll see that the key changes as you put in different options. Much like with other annotations, you have visual properties that allow you to scale up or scale down the annotation. You can change how clear it is using the opacity. And of course, you can do manual rotations and manual position placement below that. As with others, you do have your dots that allow you to resize it, stretch it, move it, and rotate it. There's an additional option here with Camtasia 2020 where you can add custom-made presets. So once you get something made the way you want it, say I want this to always be a Control V, but I want it in the gray style. Once I have this set, I can hit this little plus sign here next to the keystroke, and it will add it as a user-made option under keystroke callouts, and this will stay there as long as I deem it to be there. I can right-click on it and delete it if I want to. Just as a clarification, that is for Camtasia 2020 only. Previous versions do not have that capability. And that about covers it for keystroke callouts. This has been Software Focus. If you like this video, hit that like button, or click subscribe to join the channel for future videos. If you have any feedback or ideas for future videos, please leave a comment down below. Keep focusing.